Hi everyone, Zach from Out There Vans. Today I want to show you around a couple of our prefabricated cabinet options that might help your DIY van conversion. These two cabinets in front of me, as well as a variety of other cabinetry and van conversion components and accessories, are available on our website, shopouttherevans.com. I'll throw that link down in the description below of this video. But let's take a look at these cabinets. Both of these cabinets in front of me, we have variants available for the Mercedes Sprinter and the Ram ProMaster platforms. These cabinets are our 24-inch prefabricated cabinets, meaning they arrive to your door pre-assembled, slide them out of the box, and they are ready to go for your DIY van conversion. When they arrive at your door, they are a natural finish cabinet, meaning they are ready for paint, stain, or a clear coat, whatever will best match the aesthetic of your van conversion. As we're looking at both of these cabinets, we've got an open face model over here and a doored model over here. However, ultimately, they share the same footprint within their cabinet space. So they are 24 inches wide on the face, 14 inches in depth, 14 inches in height. However, as I rotate one of these 90 degrees so you can see that profile a little bit, you will notice there is a bit of a taper both on the roof line and the wall line. You might have noticed already in your DIY van conversion that approximately nothing is square in one of these vans, being a vehicle. So we have designed these cabinets so they are CNC cut with a predetermined one size fits most curve to your wall ceiling, as well as a little cutout where the bulk of the frame for your ceiling might have a little bit of an extra rib running through the area. So being a one size fits most, more than likely, once you apply your ceiling and your walls and you go to install these in the final stages, they should fit right up with most vans. And I say one size fits most because there are 1,000 ways for a DIY van builder to frame their walls, to install walls, different materials and thicknesses used. So that's where we see that variation. So if you are in the 1% when these arrive that they do not want to just plug and play within the walls of your van, we've thought of that. If I rotate these around, these end caps here are designed so your main mounting structure at the top and at the bottom are fixed. However, these end caps can easily be trimmed with a jigsaw to better match the contour of your van if you have that slight variation. And looking at these a little closer, as I mentioned, they share the same exact footprint, so you can mix and match your cabinets if you choose to have some open face, some doored models. These open face models are a little bit more of a budget-friendly cabinet. I'll also mention these open face models, the actual faceplate of the cabinet has a bit more of a lip to the storage unit, so your opening is a little bit smaller than your doored model. However, it is there to keep items from potentially sliding out as they shift in motion. Coming over here to the doored model, this is the most secure option. As we look at the face of this cabinet, as I mentioned, it's a little bit larger opening than this open face model over here. Additionally, it has a push button latch, meaning as it is flush with the door here, if I try and push that door open, it's not going anywhere. I am much stronger than a pot or a pan in motion. If I push this button, it releases the latch, allowing it to be pulled and opened up. That latch doubles as a little handle as it is in the unlocked position. Once it's unlocked, you can pull it open. There is a cabinet door support in here, so as it opens up overhead, you can use both of your hands to pull out that heavy pot or pan, or reach for the Cheetos in the back. Additionally, with these doored models, these hinges, if you pinch the tops of them, you can completely remove this door, so you can easily do some painting on it for the overall finished product of your DIY van conversion. If I close this door, latches down nice. And again, now it's nice and secure. I do want to point out for mounting these cabinets are not designed to fit directly between the roof line main studs of your van chassis. What we recommend doing is where your main mounting platform points at the top and in the rear is installing a lengthwise stud within the ceiling and the wall of your van, wherever these will ultimately fall within your van conversion. That will allow for the most secure installation of your ceiling. And an additional point here, there is no mounting hardware included with these. A simple cabinet screw will do the job once you have that mounting stud in. We do not include these due to the variation of thickness of studs, walls, you name it. We do not want to be liable for that screw potentially going through the wall of your van. One last thing to point out with these cabinets, they're a nice balance of strength, durability, but also lightweight. The face and the main mounting points of these cabinets are constructed with 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. Additionally, the sides and the bottom plate are constructed with a 1/2 inch variant. We save that 3/4 inch bulk for where it is really required, hence a door, the durability of a face, etc., where we go with more with that 1/2 inch variant where we are a little less structural in terms of the strength of the cabinet. We hope these cabinets help your van conversion process run a little bit more smooth. If you are, however, interested in a full custom van conversion, head on over to outtheirvans.com. There will also be a link down in the description for that. And down there, again, is the link where you will find our store, shopouttheirvans.com. If you did enjoy this video today, hit that like button, hit subscribe so you can see future products and projects coming out of our shop here in Grand Junction. And we hope to see you next time.